Now, the next topic is nutrition in human beings. We know that food is the basic requirement of all the living organisms, and the major components of food are carbohydrates, proteins, fats, minerals, vitamins, etc. Why do we eat food? Because it provides us energy and it provides us organic materials for growth, it helps in repair of tissue. But the carbohydrate, proteins, and fats present in the food, they cannot be utilized in their original form. They are the complex structures which are to be broken down into the simpler substances, and the process of conversion of large, complex, and non-diffusible form of food into the small, simple, and diffusible form. This process is called digestion, and it takes place in the presence of enzymes. In digestion, what happens? The large particles of food, they are converted into smaller ones. The complex form of food is converted into simpler one. The non-diffusible form of food is converted into diffusible. Non-diffusible means the food particle which we eat, that cannot diffuse inside the cells. हमारे cells कैसे हैं? माइक्रोस्कोपिक. और ये food particles जो हैं ये बहुत बड़े हैं. We have to convert these non-diffusible particles into diffusible form so that they can diffuse inside the cell, they can enter inside the cell. Human digestive system consists of two parts, alimentary canal and the digestive glands. Let us see how to draw the diagram of alimentary canal. It starts with mouth. Try to draw the diagram in a single go. Let us see how to draw. There are certain points which must be kept in mind while drawing this diagram. I am going to tell you. This line, this esophagus, ये line और ये, जब ये एक लाइन में आएगा then our diagram will become symmetrical. और ये जो width है it should also remain the same. Then the digestive system, it looks symmetrical. Now we will double this. कहीं पे भी जाएगी स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन, यहाँ पर इसकी एंट्री है. वी हैव टू एंड इट हेयर. It enters here. Here we have vermiform appendix. So this is the digestive system. Let us see the labeling. Alimentary canal starts from mouth. Mouth leads to pharynx. Then this is the tube called esophagus or the food pipe. Esophagus leads into stomach. Stomach यहीं से start हो जाती है small intestine. This is the first part of small intestine, the C-shaped structure which is called duodenum. D-U-O-D-A-E-N-U-M. This is the second part of the small intestine which is called jejunum. J-E-J-U-N-U-M. And this is the third part of small intestine which is called ileum. But if you cannot remember, you can simply write them as small intestine. And the ileum, it opens into the large intestine. This is the first part of large intestine which is called cecum. and then this part, this question mark shaped part, this is called colon or large intestine. This last part of large intestine is called rectum, and this opens to exterior by means of an aperture called anus. तो हमने कहा डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम कंसिस्ट ऑफ एलिमेंट्री कैनाल. ये जो था हमारे पास सारा जो माउथ से एनएस तक आया, दिस इज एलिमेंट्री कैनाल. एंड आई हैव ड्रॉन second part is digestive glands. Digestive glands, the alimentary canal receives various secretions from different glands. In the mouth there are present salivary gland. In the duodenum there are present two glands. Actually duodenum receives openings of two glands. First is the liver and second is the pancreas. In the wall of stomach there are present gastric glands, and in the wall of small intestine there are present intestinal glands. Let us draw. यहाँ पर हमारे पास है, we have the salivary gland. In the stomach, gastric gland, no need to draw. Here we have the pancreas, and here we have the liver. Inside the liver is present gallbladder. And the walls of small intestine, they contain intestinal gland.